Imagine your passion for capturing the world turning into a steady stream of income just by sharing your amazing photos and videos. Today, we're diving deep into how to make money on Shutterstock, transforming your creative skills into a rewarding passive income stream. First things first, head over to the Shutterstock contributor website. You'll need to create a free account to start your journey as a contributor. Think of this as opening your digital gallery. Follow this simple sign-up process. You'll need to agree to their terms, which is important to understand as it outlines how you get paid and what rights you retain. It's like laying the foundation for your creative business. Now for the exciting part, uploading your work. Click on the upload button and select the photos and videos you've carefully curated. Remember, quality is key here. Shutterstock is looking for professional, commercially viable content. Once your files are uploaded, it's time to optimize them for discovery. This is where keywords and descriptions are crucial. Think like a beer. What terms would they use to find your amazing shot? Be descriptive, accurate, and use a good mix of general and specific keywords. After you've added all the relevant information for each of your submissions, hit that submit button. Your content will then go through Shutterstock's review process to ensure it meets their quality and legal standards. Once accepted, your work is live and available for licensing. Every time a customer downloads your photo or video, you earn a royalty. This is where the magic of passive income begins, as your creative assets work for you around the clock. By consistently uploading high-quality, in-demand content and mastering the art of keyword optimization, you can transform your photography and videography skills into a robust passive income stream. Start your Shutterstock journey today and let your creativity pay you.